Golden honey, a blend of turmeric and honey, has been a staple in Ayurveda for thousands of years. Both honey and turmeric offer significant health benefits on their own, but when combined, they create a powerful mixture with remarkable effects. In this video, we'll discuss these benefits in detail. Make sure to watch until the end, as there's one benefit that may surprise you. If you're ready, let's dive in. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors, and this video is for informational purposes only. What is golden honey? The combination of honey and turmeric creates a mixture that can benefit multiple organs and systems in the human body. Turmeric is a flavorful spice with a long history of medicinal use, rich in bioactive compounds that can reduce oxidative damage and offer numerous health benefits. Honey, known for its sweet taste, also boasts remarkable health benefits, making it a popular folk remedy throughout history. Both ingredients are powerful on their own, but when mixed together, they become even more potent. Let's dive into some of the benefits of this dynamic duo. Reduces inflammation. Firstly, researchers believe that the combination of honey and turmeric can significantly reduce inflammation. Both honey and turmeric are rich in compounds and antioxidants that have been found to exhibit powerful anti-inflammatory effects on the human body. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's immune response, playing a crucial role in healing injuries and combating foreign invaders like chemicals and microorganisms. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it is linked to severe diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound credited with its remarkable anti-inflammatory benefits. Honey, on the other hand, contains phenolic and flavonoid compounds, which enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of this potent mixture on our body systems. Boosts the immune system. Another fantastic benefit is that this mixture can boost your immune system. Honey contains phytonutrients derived from flowers, which protect them from insects and ultraviolet radiation. These phytonutrients are responsible for honey's antioxidant, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. Chronic inflammation can negatively impact your entire body, including the immune system, increasing the likelihood of illness. Turmeric also provides immune-boosting benefits by helping to reduce inflammation. This combination helps your immune system function optimally, making it easier for your immune cells to protect your body from viruses and bacteria. Studies also suggest that curcumin, found in turmeric, can activate T cells, which are crucial for fighting off foreign invaders. Enhances brain health. Another benefit worth mentioning is that this mixture can enhance your brain health. Scientists believe that curcumin may help increase levels of a specific protein in the brain that boosts memory and cognition. This protein aids the growth of new neurons and helps prevent brain disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, honey has a lesser-known quality: it helps your brain release melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone our body uses to regulate sleep patterns and restore itself during rest. Studies also suggest that having a small amount of honey before bed can improve brain functionality, enhancing performance while awake. So, for those looking to boost brain cognition, incorporating this potent mixture into your daily routine is a great option. Helps with weight loss. We're not done yet. This mixture is also known to aid in weight loss. A study found that the bioactive compounds in turmeric may influence the processes in our body that burn and store fat. This has led some researchers to believe that turmeric can help reduce overall body weight, body fat percentage, and waist-to-hip ratio. As for honey, while I'm not suggesting you start adding multiple spoonfuls to your daily diet, it is a form of sugar high in calories. One study indicates that honey may activate hormones in our body that help with appetite suppression. This explains why some believe this mixture can suppress fat tissue growth, regulate blood sugar levels, and benefit those with metabolic conditions. Helps with digestion. Speaking of appetite, did you know that the combination of honey and turmeric can also aid digestion? Honey has potent prebiotic properties that enhance gut health by nourishing the good bacteria in our digestive system, promoting regular digestion. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds that can help with indigestion and alleviate digestive symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome. Lower the risk of heart disease. Another significant benefit worth mentioning is that this mixture can potentially lower the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, prompting extensive research on its treatment and prevention. Both turmeric and honey are rich in antioxidants, which help minimize cell damage linked to various ailments, including high blood pressure. Some researchers believe that turmeric improves the functionality of the endothelial lining in our blood vessels. The endothelium regulates blood pressure and prevents blood clots. A study found that people who consumed turmeric had a decreased risk of heart attacks, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Now that you're aware of some of the most important benefits, let's talk about how you can easily create this dynamic mixture at home in under 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 small glass jar or container with a lid. Try to use raw organic honey from a local source if possible, as it can help keep your seasonal allergies under control. Once you have the ingredients, follow these simple steps. How to make. Mix the honey and turmeric together inside the container. Stir and mix well. Cover and store at room temperature. The mixture may settle over time, so you might need to give it a quick stir before each use. Consume 1 teaspoon per day, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, to take advantage of the incredible benefits mentioned in this video. Real quick, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the like button, it really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. While you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well. We have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Millions of people around the world are looking to take advantage of the health benefits that can come from adding this powerful turmeric and honey mixture to their daily routine. Hopefully, the information you learned in this video can help you do just that. Please remember, we are not doctors, and this video should not be taken as medical advice. It is for informational purposes only. Hopefully, you learned something new and are now one step closer to improving your overall health and, consequently, the overall quality of your life. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.